Hello, so good evening. So we have Dell laptop here. So this is a Dell Inspiron 15 3000. So the problem of this laptop is the keyboard. So what we are going today or tonight is to replace the keyboard. Okay. So before we replace the keyboard, so let me ask you if you are a new viewer into my channel, so don't forget to click the subscribe, then of course click the notification bell to select all for you to be updated into all my videos to be uploaded soon. So I am making a videos how we are going to troubleshoot a dead laptop, how we are going to replace the keyboard, how we're going to replace the LCD, and so on and so forth. Same with in this channel or in my channel, I am doing a printer repair. So if you want to become a technician, so all you have to do is to watch into those videos that I made. So every time that you watch, so please um, do a thumbs up on it so that I will be notified if it is okay. Okay, so we will continue. So the problem of this laptop is it has no B, N, and M. B, N, and space bar. So the problem of the keyboard is that once that it is not functioning, so some keys are not functioning. So we don't have nothing to do with that. So all we have to do is to replace the keyboard. Okay, so let's start. So let's turn off this. So don't save and let us shut down the laptop. So it is really easy to replace laptop keyboard, especially in this kind. So because we are not going to remove all the screw on the back part of this laptop, but then we will just detach this one. So the screw there, I mean the lock there. So we're going. That is the only thing that we are going to do. But before that, so let us remove first the battery. Okay, so let us put it there. So even though we press the power button, so we will not be able to have a problem on the yeah. We will not be able to find a problem. Okay, so we need to carefully remove the keyboard because you know so we don't want the case to be damaged by the this removal. So gently, so we need to remove this keyboard. So we have to do is to press the lock. Okay, then we will remove now the lock here for the flex cable of this laptop. Okay, so this is the keyboard, the old keyboard of this laptop. So let us compare the keyboard. So this is a new keyboard which is I ordered online. So I have my supplier online. So okay, so I think they are the same. So same in lock and so on. How about the back part? Okay, so they are the same. Okay, so this time we are going to place the keyboard. So let us put the connections here. So make it sure that the pins is really on the connected on the lines of the flex cable of this laptop. So it has an indicator how you're going to place it. So it's really easy, all you have to do is to perform it correctly and perfectly. Okay, so let's lock this one. So I think that's it. So uh, hopefully this keyboard is functional. Okay, so this time we are going to put back the battery. Okay, let us power it on. So I will just give the customer a labor of 150 for this because it's really easy. If this is working, so Okay, so I think we have that. Um, so hopefully that's work. So we'll just keep this as a display. I will display this into, this will serve as my collections. Okay, so maybe uh, if I have a time, so I will look into what happened into this keyboard. I have many keyboards here, replaced keyboard. So I don't have a time to troubleshoot the keyboard. But then if I will be vacant, so maybe I could give the time for me to be able to troubleshoot the keyboard. Okay. Okay. So let's check if those keys are working correctly. So let's make it 36 for you to be able to see. And let's start with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 dash plus sign, equal sign, then backspace. Okay, then shift, colon, at, sharp, dollar sign, and so on and so forth. Okay, so QW QWERTY QWERTY UIP and KSEFGHJKJL colon and semicolon enter. Then CVB and shield question mark less than greater than sign and the tab. Okay, caps lock. So the B and space bar is now functioning. Okay, so I think we are done with this. So let's try the number lock here. Number lock. Okay, so 1020 10 and enter. Okay, so I think everything is now working. Home and so on and so forth. Okay, F12, F12, F and F12. So that is F and F12. So because due to packaging, it is lowered on this part. You know, sometimes because of packaging, but then time will come that it will be flattened correctly. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy this video. So that's how easy we work with how we are going to to replace a keyboard. It is really easy to replace a keyboard into a laptop like this because we don't have, as I said, as I told you recently, so we don't have to remove all um, the screw in any part of this, because some laptop is just like that. So all you need to, you know, disassemble all that parts for you to be able to replace um, the keyboard. So, well, luckily, we have a design. A laptop has a design like this, so it's really, so uh, question why it is really easy to remove and to replace the keyboard. It is because the kind of design of this laptop, the keyboard of this laptop is really can be either a year or a month can be damaged. As easy as that. That is a very good explanation for that. So some laptops is really hard to remove the keyboard because it can work a lifetime. It can work 5 years, 10 years, 8 years, and so on and so forth, depending on how we use the laptop. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Then so don't forget to like, share, and have a comment on this video. So I think if same with if you are new into my channel, so please and please and please, so don't forget to subscribe into my channel. Then click the notification bell, select all for you to be able to be updated into all the videos that I am going to upload with. So thank you so much and have a great evening.